Kita beralih ke informasi mancanegara. Pemerintah Amerika Serikat berencana akan memangkas 10% penerbangan di Bandar Udara Utama Amerika Serikat mulai hari Jumat 7 November jika government shutdown negeri Pemensah masih terus berlanjut. Government shutdown kini telah memasuki hari ke-36 dan menjadikannya penutupan pemerintahan terlama sepanjang sejarah Amerika Serikat yang telah memaksa 13.000 petugas Air Traffic Control dan juga 50.000 petugas keamanan bandara harus bekerja tanpa menerima upah. Hal ini sangat berdampak pada layanan penumpang dan pesawat di Bandara Utama Amerika Serikat. Menurut Menteri Transportasi Amerika Serikat Sean Duffy, pemangkasan akan berlaku 10% pada 40 bandara utama di Amerika Serikat, meski tidak merinci bandara mana saja yang bakal terdampak kebijakan ini. Sementara itu, Administrator Federasi Penerbangan Amerika Serikat (FAA) memastikan bahwa pengurangan penerbangan itu akan terjadi di bandara yang memiliki lalu lintas yang tinggi. FAA akan bertemu dengan pihak maskapai pada pekan depan untuk membahas mengenai dampak pemangkasan layanan ini. Controller petugas FAA, pemeriksa administrasi keamanan transportasi dianggap sebagai karyawan penting dan harus tetap bekerja meski ada shutdown.
We do recognize that the controllers have been working fastidiously for the last 5 weeks with this huge burden over their head of lack of compensation. And we are starting to see some evidence that that fatigue is building in the system in ways that we feel we need to work towards relieving some of that pressure. So again, as the Secretary said, we've identified 40 high traffic environment markets. We'll be happy to share that later. We have decided that a 10% reduction in scheduled capacity would be appropriate to, again, continue to take the pressure off of our controllers. And as we continue to see staffing triggers, there will be additional measures that will be taken in those specific markets.
There'll be frustration. We are working with the airlines. They're going to work with passengers. But in the end, our sole role is to make sure that we keep this airspace as safe as possible. The administrator is going to talk about all of the tools we're going to deploy. One of them, though, is going to be that there is going to be a 10% reduction in capacity at 40 of our locations. The administrator is going to tell you that this is data-based. This is not based on what airline travels, has more flights out of what location. This is about where is the pressure and how do we alleviate the pressure.